Welcome to the Four Seasons Talk Show, where learning is always fun. Today, we're taking a trip through time, exploring the four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Each of my friends loves one season the most. Let's meet them now.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, and my favorite season is spring. The flowers bloom, the trees turn green, and the air smells fresh. I wear light and colorful clothes, pink, yellow, and green. In spring, I walk in the park, take photos of flowers, and fly kites. Spring makes me feel happy and full of energy.
Hey there, I'm Adam, and I totally love summer. It's hot and sunny and no school. Yay! I wear shorts, t-shirts, and cool sunglasses. I swim, play football on the beach, and eat ice cream every day. Summer is my favorite because it feels like one big holiday.
Hello, I'm Layla, and my favorite season is autumn. The air is cool and the leaves turn red, orange, and yellow. I love wearing cozy sweaters and light jackets. In autumn, I read books, walk under falling leaves, and drink hot tea. It's peaceful, perfect for thinking and dreaming.
Hi, I'm Youssef, and I love winter. I wear warm coats, scarves, gloves, and boots. I stay inside, drink hot chocolate, and watch movies. Sometimes I play in the rain or make a snowman when it snows. Winter is my favorite because it makes me feel calm and cozy.
Hi everyone, I'm Rami, and guess what? I love all four seasons. Each one is special. Spring brings new life, summer is full of fun, autumn teaches us beauty, winter brings warmth. I love change, it keeps life exciting.
Wow, what a colorful journey through the year. Each season has its own weather, clothes, and fun activities. Some people prefer one season, and some, like Rami, love them all. Thank you for joining us on the Four Seasons Talk Show. Don't forget to follow us for more fun and educational episodes. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and enjoy every season.